Hey y'all, so today it is Tuesday and we didn't have class Monday. So so here I am on Tuesday in class. I don't have class tomorrow, y'all, so I only have class Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm so excited about it. But y'all, I was so focused on studying and I forgot that I had a submit assignment. So it's 15 points. This is my second time doing this. But actually, like the first time I did it, I had actually did the assignment. I had did the assignment early, like a week before, and then I just forgot to submit it. And I ended up losing like 15 points. Y'all, that's a lot. Like, the assignment was so easy. All I had to do was answer questions from an article. And I ended up losing 10 points. And it like tanked my grade. But I mean, I'm trying to get it back up. And the one today, y'all, I don't even know. I was just so focused on studying that I just forgot about the assignment. And it was so easy. I had did it in class. Like, it took me like 20-30 minutes and I submitted it. But it's worth 15 points and I'm getting 10 points off again. But at least it's better. It's better than nothing. I was like, dang, I was kind of so depressed. I was so depressed if I didn't look at the Canvas thing, because I looked at it, but I mean, I just got it. I just went on there to just review the lectures and stuff, but it really didn't require, like, it didn't really, I don't know. But when my classmate asked about one assignment, I said, girl, no, I ain't do that. Well, I haven't done it yet. But then I had went on there to check the assignment that was supposed to be due yesterday. I basically got a 0. It was missing. But y'all, I'm gonna get 5 out of 15. What the hell? But I mean, it's okay. At least it's something. 5 points. And I don't feel too well. My stomach is hurting. So I just wanted to come in, send a card, and then we have an exam at 1. You know what be getting me? You know what gets me? These teachers will lecture, and then, like, the class is like 2 hours. 2 hours. The class is 2 hours. Then we have an hour to take the test. Then they want to use the remaining hour to lecture. Don't nobody want to sit in class after you done gave us a test to listen to you talk some more. I don't want to do that. I do not want to sit in class and listen to my teacher talk after we done took a terrible exam. And I already know it's going to be formatted crazy because, you know, we had her last semester. Her tests were not formatted right. So, y'all, hopefully I pass this. I'm going to be in here studying, reviewing. And I'll just talk to you guys later. Hopefully I'm going to do better with vlogging. I really haven't been in the mood to like pick up the camera and just talk, but I do catch clips because I do TikToks. So at least I have the clips. I can do like voiceover, and and honestly, I don't think y'all want to see me sitting on camera talking for like 2 or 3 minutes straight. So I'll just talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, so today it is Thursday and we had to act out like these different scenarios and we did terrible. At least I did, y'all. Like, I don't know, I just don't like to act it out. Like, if I can tell you what to do in the scenario, but like acting it out, I think it's just dumb. But it's a grade and we didn't get a good grade. So I think it's partly because I'm freaking introverted. I don't just be going around acting out stuff in front of people. I think it's like people. We have to act it out in front of everybody. And then like I was so freaking nervous and my mind went blank. And I don't know. It was just, and I had to be like, okay, so like we have like three roles we have to do. And so one person has to be like the dentist, one person has to be the hygienist, and then one person has to be the assistant, and then the other person is the observer. And I had to be the dentist, and like I was like the main person, and then I just was like, bro, I don't know. And then like the lady, the person who was acting it out was doing like some weird stuff, and I don't know, like 0 out of 10 would not recommend. And then the whole class is like acting. The whole lab, our whole dental emergency lab is acting. So like, I gotta get it together, because like if not, I'm finna freaking fail this class. I'm finna fail. Like, I don't know. And like, we don't have like a person to act out these scenarios. So like, I don't know, everything happens so fast, and then I'm just like, bro, I don't know what she's doing. But I don't know. I'm over this semester. I'm tired of this group work. Like, we gotta do group work. Just this semester is easy, but like, I don't want to do group projects all the time. Like, every week we got a group project. Every week we gotta work in pairs. I don't want to work in pairs. I want to work by myself. I want to just do the cleaning. I want to do the profis and be done. I don't want to be doing group work. I don't like it. I mean, I gotta talk to people. I don't feel like doing that. We already with each other all day. Like, I don't feel like talking. Then we gotta talk to each other outside of class. Y'all, I'm just being dramatic, but I don't feel like doing group work. That's the one thing I do not like, is group work. It's the week of February 28th, and today is my actual first day of seeing patients. When it was everyone's first day of seeing patients, I wasn't actually seeing patients. I was the sterilization monitor. And yeah, I talked about that in my last video. It was fun, but it was boring at the same time. I didn't really like it. I enjoyed it, but I didn't enjoy it because I was wanting to see patients. I brought in my dad and my sister, and I was pretty excited. I was nervous but excited, and I had so much fun. It really solidified my passion of dental hygiene and the dental hygiene field as a whole. I don't know, I just loved everything about it. It was just so fun. Bringing in my family members did help with some of that anxiousness I had prior to seeing them. And I think it's a little bit easier I think the appointments are a little bit easier when you have your family members come in, because it builds your confidence for when you actually see community patients. I just start out with my family members and then work my way up to seeing community patients. Then I will be more comfortable in discussing treatments that I'm doing on my patients, if that makes sense. But yeah, my professor was like, yeah, we don't want you guys to be totally reliant on your family members, and we want you guys to see the community patients just to make you guys comfortable. And I'm like, listen, we have like three or 2 more semesters left of cleaning patients. I think that's more than enough time to see community patients. If I just take this one semester and really just see my family members and start to become confident, I think that will be okay. Like, I have summer to see patients, I have fall to see patients, and I have spring again to see patients. So I can be totally reliant on my family members right now, and then I can work my way up to seeing community patients. It's not that bad. I just don't want to go into an appointment super anxious and not knowing what I'm talking about. guys, so today is Thursday, and y'all, I've been busy. I haven't picked up the camera and talked about my experience, but I have been doing like little clips throughout the week. I think it's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I uploaded a video, and I'm trying to keep uploading, but it's kind of hard. Like, we've been having back-to-back quizzes, back-to-back projects, and it's midterms right now, so I'm trying to study for midterms. So I've just been trying to catch up, but on Monday I did see my first patient. I was a little bit later because when everybody else was seeing patients, I was the sterilization monitor, so I was kind of bummed, but my time came and I had fun. I wasn't as anxious as I thought I would be. I think it was partly because my dad and my sister came in, which was a great experience. It was so fun. I got through everything I wanted, so I set a goal for myself, and I wanted to at least get through the plaque index score, and I made it. And I even got to scale my dad's whole left side of his mouth. So the next time, all we have to do is redo his PHB scores, scale the rest, and then fluoride and polishing, and then I should be finished within like 2 or 3 hours. I'm guessing, I'm hoping. But yeah, I'm just like really excited. I was waiting for this moment, and I'm like beyond excited. I'm beyond excited because I feel like the book work is more so like busy work. Y'all, don't kill me, but that's what I feel. But I feel like the hands-on experience is more what we're relying on. But I don't know, I like the hands-on experience. I look forward to Mondays and Fridays is what I look forward to. So yeah, I'm heading to my dental emergency class. We have a midterm today, and we have a quiz tomorrow in radiology. I'll try to come back tonight to talk about it because I have to study for the quiz, but I'm gonna try and edit my vlogs. Like, I have so much editing to do, and that's partly why I haven't been uploading, because editing does take a hot minute, and then some of the clips are muted, so I wanted to do like a voiceover, and that also takes a minute too because I have to sit down and talk, and sometimes it can be hard because I do have a toddler. And yeah, I don't know, it's just overall, kids can be, you know, a lot. They're great, but they can be a lot. So yeah, I'll just talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, so it's Thursday afternoon. I just got out of class, and I'm trying to do better. With recording. So today was a good day. We had our dental office's emergency exam. Y'all, I passed. I passed that exam. I'm so excited. What else? We got to try out some intramuscular injections. Like, we were able to like fill the needles or the vials, and then like do the whole process as if we were injecting them into like a patient, but we had like these pads. I have some clips, so y'all finna see. But yeah, today was a good day. It wasn't bad, but I have to study for radiology exam. I had like 3 hours today to study, so I did some studying. I was productive because usually I'm not productive during my downtime, but I was productive today because I really don't feel like studying when I get home, but I'm gonna try to study. I'm gonna try and talk to y'all tonight, and I'm gonna try and edit my vlogs, but I'm gonna talk to you guys later.